Yo, listen.
Look at that.
Beauty, Sammy.
That's a beauty, Sammy.
Mom, can I eat him?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really good, alright?
Was that fun reeling that in?
Yeah.
What did you boil?
It hurt my hand.
Did it?
Yeah. You put on the pippy.
Squid.
Pippy. The squid was down there. There's the pippy.
Well done.
I told you. It's poisonous.
Carla, look what Daddy got.
A toady. A toadfish. Where's the chips?